Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Reddit website step by step. The first and foremost thing that you must do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Reddit. After that, hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link. After this, you must head over to the three lines at the top right of your screen and then hit login or sign up. If you already have signed up, then you can simply enter your username along with your password and then log in. If you're new to Reddit, then you must hit sign up. Here you must enter your email. I'm going to be entering my email, hit continue, and then head over to your Gmail app or your email app. Refresh, tap on the email sent by Reddit, long press on the code, copy it, and then paste it into Reddit, and then hit continue. After that, you'll have to enter your username along with your password and then hit continue to create your account, and then you can log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.